Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you are doing well. Today I will share the Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor, Kajal, Shraddha Kapoor, Sonakshi, Alia Bhatt, Katrina Kaif, Preeti, Salman Khan, Abhishek, Dilip Kumar, Saif Ali Khan, Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Rani Mukherjee, Preeta Zinta, Krishna Kapoor, Armita Rao, Farah Ali Khan, Pooja Bhatt, Sonam Kapoor, Tiger Shroff, Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai, Janhvi, Anushka Sharma, Deepika Padukone, Laika Arora and Priyanka Chopra, Kiara Advani, Tara, Disha Patani and Bhumi. Hope so you like my video. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel and stay tuned. Thank you.